about 3D technology in fashion from concept to consumer. For the introduction, which is this aim to bring 3D technology to the designer and artist communities by providing tools and services. This may help the idea by using 3D visual technology. This will involve 4 steps of it, which is the first one is design. For design, they will transfer the metal draft and to develop the ideas which is the designer already has in his mind. Which is these have 4 types of different design, which is the first one is sneakers, ivory, ballerina, and heels. The second step is prototyping, which is these have to an almost real physical prototype, and it is also known as look and feel. From this, the consumer can just go through the stores and they can feel and touch the products. For the third step is manufacturing. For manufacturing, there will no margin for errors, and the shoes should meet all the details and the design specification that designer already have been provided. And the last one is pop-up stores, which is they will able to show collection fully digitally convinced, and this will letting the consumer experience and they can interact in different ways.
To the next topic, which is the benefits in using 3D technology throughout the process. So the first process is the design phase. The first benefit we drew from the case study is the enhancement of the creativity. Thanks to the 3D design technology that expands the boundaries of the restricted traditional design methods, giving more freedom to the designers. And the second thing is the important product decisions concerning design and aesthetic details were made early in the process called 3D virtual pre-prototyping. So next phase is the product development phase, where it can reduce time. With the use of the 3D digital technology, it could speed up the prototyping phase by eliminating the iteration around product samples. So finally, the short times they had when they started were successfully achieved, being reduced the development process from 8 to 2 months. And on the other hand, development costs were saved, being the prototyping phase is the most expensive part of the process. And by investing to this 3D technology, it can reduce the cost incurred in this prototyping phase.
Yes. So the benefit of 3D technology towards fashion industry is that we could have a better communication between manufacturers and also retailers. So retailers can send those 3D files and also printed prototypes to the manufacturers so that they can work on the design and also on the manufacturing of the product itself. So based on that, we can see that the information between the manufacturers and also retailers is faster than usual. So next is to reduce the errors made by the manufacturer itself. We can see that by having those 3D files and also printed prototypes, we can reduce the misunderstanding of manufacturers toward producing the details of that product itself. And then manufacturing industry, we can see that energy is one of the highest costs towards producing a product. So by reducing the errors, we could reduce the amount, we could have a greater efficiency of energy for manufacturing industry, and also we could have a higher quality of product. So if they manufacture it once and then not repairing it again, we could have a better quality of product. We could have lower cost of energy and many more. So next we proceed towards the retail phase. By having towards the retail phase, we can see that the improvement of customers' experience is greater towards customer, because we could have interaction with product towards the initial phase of design, and also we could have a very realistic way of full collection, as the retailers can show their product in a full collection within that confined space or at their retail store itself. So next we could have also customization towards the product itself, towards the design of the product. So customer likes to be treated as an individual, and based on that, by having customization, customer can personalize their design towards their preferences, and this gives a competitive advantage to the companies, a lot better, which will end up in a more benefit or more profit.
Okay, the challenges by the software companies. The first one is the simplification of 3D solutions. These companies need to work on simplifying 3D digital solutions in order to make it easy for everyone to use their software, especially among the clients that don't have technical skill and don't have time to learn on how to use their software. And on the other hand, the challenges faced by the software companies is to develop specific solutions in order to make it easy for clients to adapt with the 3D technologies specificities. The specificities for each industry providing the functionalities needed for each kind of product category. That means that a different kind of product category have different functionalities.
Despite having some challenges, 3D technology brings a lot of new innovation and evolved fashion industry towards technocentrism, thus advancing to Industrial Revolution 4.0.